What's up, painting friends? Welcome back. Today I'm at the Upper St. Clair League of Arts Sugarplum Art Exhibit and Fine Craft Show in Upper St. Clair, Pennsylvania, and we're going to check out some of my paintings on display. The Sugarplum Shop is an annual exhibition that kicks off the holiday season. Lots of people like to come and check out the original artwork, and there's also a fine crafts section of this shop, but I mostly just partake in the art exhibition here. You can see me with my 4 paintings. The 4 paintings in this exhibition are ones that I completed this year. They're all oil paint on canvas, and they're all landscapes. 3 of them are national parks, and 1 of them is a golf course. This first one we're looking at is Shenandoah Sunset, which you guys saw a time-lapse video for this last week on my channel. Next, we are going to take a look at my Teeth of the Dog golf course oil painting. This is a golf course in the Dominican Republic, and this was a painting I created to sell from my original collection and also to include prints of that in my 2021 golf course calendar. This is another painting that was part of my YouTube tutorials. I gave you guys some tips on painting sunlit water and sunlit trees in a little landscape like this several months ago, I believe, on my channel, so you can find that video as well. And this painting is also on display. That was inspired by the Smoky Mountains. And my 4th and best for last piece is Vernal Fall, which is a waterfall in Yosemite National Park. I did have a YouTube video about my process for creating this one as well, but I don't believe it was a tutorial. I think that was just more of me talking about the background process for creating that painting. So that wraps up my 4 paintings that we have. I hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry I don't have any new tutorials for you. I'm gonna get back to that next week with a tutorial that was requested by a subscriber. So I hope you guys have a great week and happy painting. Bye bye!